Poor Seagull, weak, laying on the seashore here. I watched her try to walk and she stumbled and fell, and she just lays there. Poor little seagull. I think she's dying. Keeps doing a nosedive when she tries to walk. This is just, oh, gut-wrenching, people, gut-wrenching. She can't walk. Although she's trying, she just keeps falling. Pretty baby bird. I wish I could help you. I want to make them stop. Stop the killing. It's okay, baby bird. 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 It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby bird. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. She's dying. I want to help her and I can't. I can't unpoison her. It's okay. Go away from the water. You'll drown. You'll drown, baby. You'll drown. Go away from the water, honey. I know. I wish I could help you too. I wish I could help you. Oh, I know. Help me, help me. Help me, you say. Oh, it's okay, baby bird. God will take care of you. I just walked away from that little seagull laying back there, and there's nothing I can do to help her. This is just devastating. I'm gonna have to quit for today. God bless everyone. Today is October the 16th, Sunday. This is Denise in Long Beach.